Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you return as a family member. Christmas decorating is in full swing in my home, and today I'll be working on my kitchen, decorating it for Christmas. Today I am hosting, along with Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and our guest host, Mercy Beauty of Styles, Sophisticated Saturdays Christmas Edition. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this Christmas Decorate With Me together. And I'll meet you at the end to tell you more about the items I've used. I am so happy with this golden kitchen look, and I hope you like it too. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, most of the items I already had on hand or thrifted. For instance, the Christmas ribbon that I used on all the garlands is thrifted. And the pine cone wreaths were a DIY, as well as my book page Christmas trees. The curtains I already had on hand, they belong to Mommy. And the rest of the items, yeah, I had on hand already. So I hope you enjoy this Christmas decorate with me and that it gives you inspiration to decorate your home for Christmas. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much to Mercy, Beauty of Styles, for being our guest host this month of Sophisticated Saturdays is every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Simply create a DIY or decorate any area of your home in an elegant, sophisticated manner and use our hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. Thank you again for watching, and I hope this gives you inspiration. So until next time.
Born.